Hi everyone, we're so glad you're here with us for this lightning talk. We're here representing our high school robotics program to present on how we have and are adapting to the pandemic. I'm Kelsey, a senior at Westlake High School, and am the outreach co-lead on our robotics team.
I'm Shreshta, also a senior at Westlake, and I'm the other outreach co-lead with Kelsey.
I'm Arohi, a junior, and I'm the president of our team STEM advocacy initiative, SACOT.
We are part of a FIRST robotics team called Team Appreciate. FIRST stands for the inspiration and recognition of science and technology. But we represent more than just one high school team. In fact, we are 52 teams spread throughout the Eanes K-12 school district.
After the cancellation of our competition season this year, we wanted to help the newer members on our team have the same experiences as our veteran members. Our immediate change of plans focused on sustaining our team's growth and impact through our initiatives. We moved all meetings online and began brainstorming how we could adapt each of our initiatives and training sessions to be virtual.
In the past, for signing day, one of our initiatives has been a social media campaign to celebrate graduating seniors, where individual teams host their own in-person signing celebrations. After COVID hit, we quickly pivoted from our in-person event to a completely virtual event format. Through this change, our team collaborated with FIRST headquarters and partnered with them for this year's FIRST Signing Day event, which was live streamed to over 1,000 viewers on the FIRST Twitch channel. FIRST Signing Day 2020 was a significant achievement for our team since it was the first successfully executed virtual adaptation to COVID and gave us a lot of helpful experience in virtual event planning.
Through our experiences from FIRST Signing Day, we decided to create a new speaker series called FIRST in Focus to stay connected and strengthen bonds between FIRST teams from across the nation. It also provided other teams and individuals numerous resources that other fellow FIRST teams can use. We invite a new guest speaker, either STEM professionals or a FIRST robotics team, to present about various topics ranging from technical to non-technical aspects of FIRST and robotics. After 8 presentations from this spring and 2 this fall, we have had a total of over 2,100 views from the recorded live stream on our YouTube channel and live viewers combined.
Our STEM Connect initiative is our team's week-long summer curricula that strengthens our partnerships with our sponsors and serves as our team's main source of funding while teaching children various STEM skills. The camps that are run by our team members are hosted at our sponsors' corporate locations, where we can invite their employees' children as attendees. In the past 5 years, we've hosted STEM Connect sessions focused on various topics, including a low-cost robotics kit produced and developed by our robotics team called Robox. Although we had fewer camps this past summer, we were able to find a COVID-19 safe way to continue with STEM Connect. We held completely virtual camps on Zoom, where we taught programming through coding challenges to engage our attendees. We also had the opportunity to work with our school's FTC teams on the STEM Connect curricula to capitalize on their programming knowledge.
Club Z is an after-school program for underserved students in the South Austin area. Through our STEM advocacy initiative, SACOT, we brought them STEM and robotics starting in the fall of 2019. We introduced over 32 children to a 6-session STEM curriculum and wanted to continue a partnership with Club Z this fall by hosting virtual sessions via Zoom. We faced the challenge of ensuring that the kids would engage in our refined curriculum. After much adapting, we had our first successful virtual session with Club Z and are planning our next session for next week, as we were able to connect with the kids as much online as in person.
In mid-November, we adapted our first STEM Girls event of the season, the Ice Cream Social. Usually, we rent a space in our school and have networking time, an FLN and FRC robot demo, and give attendees a shop tour. This year, to maintain the integrity of the social aspect of the event, we planned for a COVID-safe outdoor social at our school's soccer field. We kept the robot demos with both our FRC team's robot and a robot from one of our district's FLL teams, but also invited 2 female speakers from the STEM field, which was new for this event. This adaptation and addition to our event was a great opportunity for our team to not only build on previously established relationships with these women, but also invite and reach out to a larger audience throughout Austin, rather than just our school district.
We wanted to thank all of you for listening to our lightning talk today and hope you join us in the breakout sessions to learn more about our robotics team and our initiatives. Thank you again and goodbye.